Hi everybody, it's Christmas Eve. I'm taking a walk with my wife Anna Maria. She's ahead of me. I'm in Riverside, Illinois, a community designed by Olmsted. In fact, next year is Olmsted's 200th birthday. They'll be having celebrations of his birth here in Riverside and a lot of places, I'm sure, and at Yerkes Observatory in Williams Bay. But I thought this is very good. Mike Collins is the arborist in Riverside, and look what he's done. He's left all the leaves here underneath the oaks, and he's cut everything up with mulching mowers. Let's take a look at it. So all the leaves are broken up into small pieces, allowing light energy to get through in the spring. So what grass is under here will come back, thin as it will come back. And they're transitioning planting communities within the oaks. We've done some sedge work here under the old oaks. We just put them in 2-inch pots. But I think this is a good way to look into the future. Don't rake up your leaves and haul them away. Just get a mulching mower and keep riding or pushing it along. And look how beautifully the leaves are all broken up. Isn't that good? And you can see the grass coming right through it, so it's not going to hurt the turf. There's the grass coming right through it. So it's a great opportunity to leave the fallen leaves, let them strengthen and bring health to the earth. And see the planting area over here? It's not raking up the leaves. They'll just settle and oxidize through the spring and summer, and everything is living in healthy leaf fall. So we're moving into a more thoughtful future and healthier future with our planting and our turf care. And I just wanted to share that with you on this video. And have a great Christmas, everybody. And have a happy New Year. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching the shows. It's very encouraging. You're all out there and we're sharing a lot together. Merry Christmas.